Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to open a SoFi investing account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all, you need to simply tap open your SoFi app. Once you have opened it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply get logged in or signed up into your account. So once you're logged in your account, you need to click on invest icon, which is on the bottom of the page. After you have done this, under the account, simply tap on create new account. Once this is done as well, all you gotta do is simply hit the active brokerage self-directed option. So once you have done this as well, all you can do is simply tap on the next icon, that is let's get started page. Once you are done with this, you will be able to open a SoFi investing account in the easiest and simplest manner. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.